The next search we are going to cover is vehicle search. In vehicle search, you can search for items in a specific category by vehicle. As an example, we will search for an alternator for BMW 320 diesel. First, we will select electrical, then alternators, then BMW, and then we will select 320D, various, and passenger, and press search. As you can see, there are 16 items that are listed. This means that there are 16 alternators that fit into a BMW 320D. If we go into an item and go to vehicle applications, these are all the different vehicles that this alternator fits into. If I press next item, as you can see, the Electrolog number has changed to the next item, and we are still in vehicle applications but now of the next item. So you can flip through all the different parts but staying in the vehicle applications of those parts. In vehicle search, you can also search for an item in a specific category by engine type. In this example, we are looking for alternators with the 4AFE engine type. As you can see, I've chosen electrical, alternators, engine, and then the engine type that I've chosen is 4AFE, and I press search. As you can see, all the alternators that fit on a 4AFE engine are now displayed.